have some friends, sir. Where are you from? Come on. Netherlands. Wow, welcome. Hi. Is that your beautiful girlfriend? Oh, is that your good-looking husband? Can you give them a microphone? We want to talk to just some friends, you know?
Yes, of course.
From Netherlands.
Hello
Okay.
po, Sir Willie.
Hi, hello. Wow, ganda. Sir.
Hello.
What's your name, sir?
Quirino Franzani.
What?
Quirino Franzani.
Ano?
It's not the real Dutch name, but...
Parang lasing eh. Parang lasing.
Si Rino, pinsan ni, sabi niya.
Almost right, almost right.
Almost right now.
So, are you from Netherlands?
Yes, I'm from the Netherlands.
Are you staying here in the Philippines?
I'm staying in Philippines, yes. I now live in Manila.
What do you do here now, sir?
Stay with my wife.
Hindi mo na magandang music yan. So, you've been together for how many years?
5 years now.
You had children?
We don't have children together, but she has 2 children and I have 2
Before?
daughters.
But
Yes, before.
Both
Not
of you
yet,
don't
no.
have children?
No, we don't have children together.
What's your name, beautiful lady? Ganda mo ah. Oh.
Lori Maniago po.
Wow, saan mo siya na-meet?
Sa Davao po.
Taga Davao ka?
Yes po.
Wow. Paano mo siya na-meet?
I sing in a band and then he was there.
Oh, are you a
Watching.
singer?
Yeah. Yes po.
Ano mga kinakanta mo?
Mga Eegees, Bonnie Taylor.
Eegees?
Mga Tina Turner. Galing!
Huh? Aegis? Aegis, Binti, Trinta? Sample daw, sample. Anong kanta? Anong kanta? Oh. Ano?
Eegees na lang po. Luha.
Aegis, 15, 20, 30,
Beatles.
40. Anong Aegis?
Luha po.
Naku, luha ah. Yan.
Makaulan mamaya.
Sige. Aegis. Oh.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin naman.
Davao! Ano pangalan mo?
Thank you po. Lorelei po.
Lorelei, ang galing mo. Bigyan mo ng jacket, mag-asawa.
Thank you so much. Kuya Will, dream come true po ito kasi I dream one day and then I dream that I sing here and then now it's really came true.
Kim
And
Chu,
I'm so thankful.
Kim Chu? Sino Kim Chu?
Came true.
Came true, came true. So, natupad. Kumbaga,
Natupad po.
isang panaginip na nagkatotoo.
Yeah, I tell my husband that, oh
Is
my
that true?
God.
She
Yeah.
dreamt that she's going to sing here in Wawawin. Is that true? Did she tell you that?
Yeah, she told me that she dreamed that.
And that is, it's for real.
Yeah, now it's for real.
Yeah, wow. What do you want to tell your wife? What do you
Sorry,
want to
Ken?
tell her? You want to say something? What do you want to tell your wife?
That I'm very proud of her.
Oh, and then?
I kiss her.
Wow! That's nice. O, ikaw naman, Lauren, ano gusto mo sabihin sa asawa mo?
I wanted to say that thank you so much for having in my life and I'm also proud to be with your asawa. And anniversary po namin nung 28. I wanted to say to the whole world, happy anniversary, my
kiss.
pana.
Kiss. Kiss mo. Kiss. Thank
you so
you. Jacket and then a front row. Lux white. That's for you. And direct. Ayan, Jowa. Pakita natin sa baba. Yan.
Thank you, Kuya Will.
Alright, thank you, ha.